Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Harry. 2 months ago, I designed a small battery saver to transfer the energy from the used batteries. Even they are said used, but they may still have more than 70% energy inside. This simple device can raise the small voltage to 5 volts. You need a power station to collect the residual energy. Today, I will tell you how to make a power charger. It can recharge the 18650 batteries. Also, it is a powerful power station, power bank, that can reach 7000 mAh capacity. Stick around, let's do it. The concept is quite simple. Use this simple module to recharge the 18650 batteries. The input voltage is 5.0 volts. You can use the battery saver or simply use a USB input power. The recharging voltage is 4.2 volts. To fully charge the 18650 battery, output voltage is 4.2 volts. After the 18650 batteries have been fully charged, the green LED light will on. You can directly use the batteries or use another simple module to boost up the voltage. You can adjust the output voltage to 5.0 volt for the USB connector, or adjust to 12 volt for the mostly used voltage for LED power supply. Use the simple voltage meter to monitor the output voltage. Make sure if you adjust the output voltage other than 15.0 volt, don't use a USB output connector. The concept is explained. Now we start wiring. You can package all the parts into a simple container or use a simple box that I designed for this power station. You can see even the use of different type of batteries can output about 5.0 volts after using the battery saver. This power can start recharging the power station or power bank. The red LED will light on when charging. After fully charged, the green LED will light on. Plug out the USB connector. Now you can directly use the 18650 battery or adjust the screw to adjust the output voltage. It can power a normal electric device that the usage current is less than 2 amperes. But unfortunately, it still cannot power my iPhone X. Since iPhone uses fast charging, that this simple module cannot fully support it for a long time use 2 ampere current. It is my mistake to choose this cheap module that about $1 per piece. I think it can be used for a long time 2 ampere current charging. But it can't. If you change this module to a better boost module, for example, this module can do the job as the specification manual explained. It can be used as maximum current to 4 ampere that supports the fast charging for iPhone power bank IC. It will cost about $2 a piece. If you use this type of 18650 battery, the total power capacity can reach 7000 mAh. The charging current can reach 6 ampere, so it can be used as a fast charging system. If you have seen the video here, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and click the small bell so you will not miss an update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.